what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I have a Shein haul and I'm super excited to share what I got with you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy try on hauls. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite item from this haul was, and hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. So if you're excited to see what I got from my Shein haul, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the accessories. I picked up these Yeezy inspired tennis shoes and I'm so happy that I did pick them up. They have like a shine to them. I'm not sure if the camera is picking up on that, but I just think they're gorgeous. I feel like it's definitely going to dress up my casual outfits. Also, even like dressy outfits, I can wear a dress with these, and I like the way that they fit. They were for a reasonable price and they're cute, so what more do you want? Yeah, so that's all I got for accessories. Now let's get into the clothing items. So I'm gonna start off with the tops, and the first thing I got is this orange, neon orange pullover that scrunches here in the middle. I just thought it was super cute. It was for a really good price on the website. It looked really cute on the model, and I think this is going to be like the last winter piece that I get. It is very lightweight, but since we're getting into spring and summer, well, we're already in spring, but we'll be getting into summer pretty soon. I know I'm not going to be using these sweaters because it does get pretty hot where I'm from. This was the last sweater that I add to my wardrobe for the rest of the year. Like I said, I just thought it was really cute on the model. It was for a good price, and I needed something in this color in my wardrobe. So the next top that I got is this red C'est La Vie shirt. I got it in a size small just because with Shein, you never really know if it's gonna fit or not. And when I unboxed this, I was not happy that it was huge, honestly, but then when I tried it on, I was really feeling this oversized look. It's an oversized graphic tee, which who doesn't love an oversized graphic tee? The material is very breathable, it's very stretchy, and I just like it overall. It was beautiful to me, so I picked it up, and there's really nothing much to say about that. So the next item I got is this baby blue ribbed crop top. I don't have any shirts like this, any crop tops like this, so I picked it up. It's a nice stretchy material. It's made out of cotton. I just thought it was really cute. Like I said, all of these items were for a reasonable price, so I picked it up and I'm super happy that I did. It's definitely not see-through because Shein is known for, you know, being kind of sketchy like that and having see-through tops, but this one is definitely not see-through. I'm super happy that I got it. Then the next item I got was just this basic white crop top, and this was another item that I really wasn't too happy about when I unboxed it because it has like it's not a fitted shirt. Like, I like my crop tops to be fitted, so here on the bottom, I'm not sure if you can see, it's not hugging my body the way that I wanted to, but once I tried it on and I threw some leggings on with it, I definitely liked the fit that it had. It's something that I don't have, and I'm glad that I got it. The material is very lightweight. You can definitely feel that there is some polyester in it. It's not 100% cotton, which is not that great, because if it is really hot outside, you are definitely going to feel it in this crop top, but nonetheless, it's really cute. And yeah, so let's get on with the next item. Now, the last crop top I got was this gray basic crop top. All of the items I got in this haul are kind of basic. I just needed some new basic items, so yeah, it's just this gray crop top, and I really love the material on this one. It's very lightweight, very breathable, very stretchy, so definitely something that I love, and there's really nothing much to say about it. It's great, it's cute, it's a crop top. Next, okay, so on to the leggings and bottoms. These are the first pair of bottoms that I got. They are these checkered print biker shorts. They are a little longer than the normal biker shorts that I have, which is okay. I'm not complaining. I definitely love the way that they fit. They hug my body perfectly. The material is very comfortable. Like I said, very breathable. I'm so happy with all of the items that I got in this haul. All of the materials just feel very comfortable, and I'm just so happy with what I got. And there's really nothing much to say. They're just checkered print biker shorts. Now, the next item I got is this black pair of leggings with a solid white stripe on the side of them. These definitely are the most comfortable. They do not fit as tight as I thought they were going to. They are very lightweight. It's made out of a very sheer material, but it's not see-through. So that's something that I really liked. Like I said, very breathable. They fit my body exactly how I want them to fit. You can wear this on a hot day and you're not going to be sweating just because the material is very sheer. It lets in air very easily. So I'm so happy that I got these. I love leggings with little stripes on the side. I think it just adds that little touch of spice to any outfit. The next item I got is another pair of black leggings, but these have like 3 little lines on the bottom. I guess it's like to mimic an Adidas pair of leggings, but I just love the way that these fit me. These definitely fit a little tighter. These are made out of the same material that the last pair of leggings were in, and with that being said, these are very breathable, very stretchy, very comfortable and stylish, so that's something that I like. I got all of these items in a size small, by the way. Okay, so the last item I have for you guys are these neon orange biker shorts. These are definitely shorter. I have these in another pair. I have them in black. But the reason why I saved these for the end of the video is because they are very beautiful. I love the way that they fit me, but they are very see-through. These are definitely not for going out. You could just see all up in my business, and I am not about that. So these are definitely going to stay in the house, but they're very comfortable. I like everything about them. I like the fit, the cut, everything. It's just they're too see-through. So for that reason, that is why it's a no-go for me. Definitely do not pick up these biker shorts in this color. Definitely go for a black or another color. So that's it for my Shein haul. I have a few more packages on the way from Shein. This is the first package that arrived, so definitely be on the lookout for my next Shein haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.